Hello, it's Saturday morning. Going to collect the bales. At the field where the bales are, now loading up the bales that we didn't load up yesterday. Now taking them back. Now we're going to take them back to the farm. Going back to the farm with the bales. Now back at the farm. Now moving some tractors out the way so you can put and load them into the shed. Now unloading the bales into the shed. Getting out combine and now harvesting our barley field. Now harvesting more of our barley field. And loading into the trailer. Now harvesting more of our barley field. Going to the field, got another load, and now going back to the farm. Now harvesting more of our barley field. And now unloading the last load of this field into the trailer. Now got the header to the field and header trailer to the field, and I'm putting the header on the header trailer to take the combine back to the farm. And now going back to the farm with the combine and the cart head trailer. Back at the farm, now parking the combine in the shed. And now parking the header up at the farm. Now loading up more bales from that field. Now loading up more bales from the other field. Now going back to the farm with the last load of bales. Now loading the bales into the shed. Parking up for the night. Thanks for watching, I'll see you all tomorrow.